Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can add Google Maps to Flutter, so let's get right into it. I'll be using this documentation simply to make my life easier and to make this tutorial easier to understand and simpler to follow, simply because I currently don't have any Flutter projects, and I'm not very how can I say this, proficient in Flutter, so I'll just use this to make everything much more clear. So what you need to do is, of course, you need to have an API key, and you need to add it to your apps which you are using. So for example, to add it to Android, you need to edit the Android manifest.xml file in Android app source main. Then you need to add a single metadata entry containing the API key, which I do have a tutorial for. If you don't know how to create an API key, you can check that out. And that, yeah, you can just add the API key in the application node. So this is, for example, how you can add that metadata part into your API or into your project, I guess, in your Flutter project. So you just need to add your API key with this code right here, and as you can see, you just need to replace this with your API key, and that should be it. And the rest is pretty much how you add specifically maps. So you can just go over this code and just figure out how to do it. And this is pretty much just a test, I guess you could say, an example of how you can do it. And you can also do it for your iOS app, however that is a bit different. So you need to edit the app delegates Swift file in iOS runner, and adding the API key on iOS requires changes to the source code of the runner app, and app delegate is the core singleton that is part of the app initialization, and you need to make two changes. You need to add an import statement to pull the map headers, so just add import Flutter, import UI kit, import Google Maps, and this Google Maps import is what you need to add. And then you need to add this line to add your API key. So GMS services provide API key, and then in the parentheses you just add the API key, and that is pretty much all there is to it. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.